Hello guys and welcome to another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to sign out your Chrome account. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now I'm not talking about simple sign out. I won't explain this type of sign out because this is very simple. Now I'm talking about another different method where you can permanently remove your account or this account from the Chrome browser. You should go to this three dots right here, then go to settings, and you can find here the account that I used to sign in. Then here you can find turn off button. You should tap on it. As you can see here in this message, it says your bookmarks, history, passwords and more will no longer be synced, so you have to be careful. Then turn off, and now you have totally signed out from this Chrome browser, and whatever you do now will not be saved to any account because I have already signed out. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was useful to you all, and see you in another video.